Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to this another video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can run the scraper into your PC Instagram to extract profile data from followers data from any Instagram profile. Okay, so for this purpose I have collect this profile. This was a random profile of a random user on Instagram. I have collect. I hope I will not get any kind of issue. So his name is Muhammad Rahmatullah. Okay, so I will show you how we can extract the information of followers. This man has total 283 followers. He had total 281 followers. So now we can extract information of these followers. Okay, so this is the script I have developed for my client. And now usually mostly we need followers information, so that's why I add a function for scraping followers data. So basically there are basically two files. One is link downloader and second is the scraper. Okay, so first we will run we will run this script. Let me change some settings. Okay, automation proper. So I'm gonna run this. Okay, so it asks me a following type kind of input. Make sure you input a valid URL. I have copied this URL and I'm gonna paste this. And how many times I'm gonna scroll down web screen, because it will scroll down the web screen, and then after the finish, when the scrolling was completed 10 times, 20 times, it will copy paste the content, and through that content it will extract the information of username URLs. Okay, so I said I want 7 times. Okay, so it will begin automation after 2-3 seconds. Make sure you log into your Instagram account fast, and you will see this at scroll down web screen. Okay, so we have this piece of URL, and now I'm gonna run this. Sorry, we're gonna check this. We have total 93 URLs, and I'm going to scrap all these URLs. Okay, so before running the scraper, you see some kind of yes, the URLs are not valid, like this one, like this, like this, like this one. So basically it scrap it, not run the crawler. It simply copy paste the content. So there I have deployed some kind of regular expression. So maybe I can fix this, inshallah, to deliver you. We will deliver you a quality product, quality application. Okay, so now I'm gonna run this. I'm gonna run the async scraper tool I have developed. So here is it. I will run this Python file, and now you will see. Now you can see how fast this is. Okay, and the most important thing, the total time required is 6 seconds, 6.17764. Basically 6 or 7 seconds are it's required by this scraper to scrap 93 links, maybe 91, 92, 90, 89, but almost more than 85 links are processed in a very short amount of time. So it's a huge benchmark, it's a huge success, I strongly believe. And I'm going to show you the data. Here is the data. Here is the part of the data. Now you will see this. Okay, so maybe this not contain uh, good information, because sometimes user always demand, but it was a very great achievement. What I strongly believe, if you wanna run this, if you wanna looking for yeah, paid scrappers like Epify, Octoparse, Scrapping Bees. So this is also maybe your best choice if you're looking. So it contain 5 or 6 data for username, post, followers, description, and profile link. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel Python Bot Engineering. Thank you very much. Jazakallah.